guys, and welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be playing some Zombie Rush. I just hit level 70, so if you guys play this, you probably are higher than me, because I just started playing yesterday. And vote. Oh, it's not even voting. Come on, zombies, come after me. Oh, ow, ow. Oh, I see them. I see you as well. You're not getting anywhere. Neither are you. Oh. Neither are you. Come at me. Ah! God, that gave me a heart attack. Gonna help it. Oh, no, he done it. Let's get this guy. Get off him. He's a guest. Leave him alone. The guy. Watch out behind you! Behind you! Whoa. And behind me as well. Whoa, I just got boosted. We're in wave 3 right now. Ah! Oh no, there's a massive ones are coming out now. Come on, oh no. Why did he have to come for me? Oh no, why, what? Come on, guy, you handle one and I'll handle this one. Headshots, headshots. Whoa. What the hell? Leave me alone! Leave me alone! Are you serious? Oh my gosh! How many people are... Oh, game over. No one survived. Wow, I'm not surprised either. That's for level 80. Okay. We're so close to level 71. Let's vote for... I hate all these maps, so I'm just gonna go for this one. Said my bot. Done. Said my plays music. Make sure none are around these corners. Come on, gang! Yes, my boy's with me. My boy King Kenny. No. What's his name? Sergio. Get off him! Sergio. I'll call him Sergio. Come on, Sergio, help me! Yeah, run away. think I can cut them off. Ah! People are so live, but they're not helping me. Leave me with all the hard work. Come on, boys, help! I'll shoot you. Yes, they're helping. Come on. I need to get out of here. Yes. Ah! No! I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm so dead. I'm so dead. I'm so dead. Yep, I'm dead. What should we change it to? Change it to what are those? Ew. That's the face that I want, but it's Roblox. Okay, we're just gonna keep it like that for now. Let's turn to a zombie. Yeah? Okay. Okay guys, we are gonna have to go in a sec. So yeah. We may as well just kill this last person if we can. Just die already. Yes, he's dead. Okay guys, this is going to be the end of this video. Hope you guys enjoyed and we'll see you next time. Goodbye.